Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Justin Trudeau met on the sidelines of the Asian Summit in Laos almost a year after his Canadian counterpart accused India of involvement in the death of a Canadian Khalistani separatist. The Canadian Broadcasting Corporation on Friday said Trudeau described the meeting as a brief exchange when the two leaders met during the Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit in Vientiane, Laos, held on Thursday. Sources in New Delhi said there were no substantive discussion between Modi and Trudeau in Vientiane. The ties between India and Canada were strained last year after Trudeau's allegations in September of a potential involvement of Indian agents in Hardeep Singh Nizar's killing outside a Gurdwara in Sarai city on June 18, 2023. India, which has designated Nizar as a terrorist in 2020, has strongly rejected Trudeau's allegations as absurd and unmotivated.